Guys, the iPhone Air 2 could be Apple's most confusing iPhone, yet not because of features, but because of conflicting leaks. So today, we're going to verify everything using the latest reports and separate what's real from what's just hype. Let's start with the biggest. Question is it even launching in 2026? This is where things get messy. Some reliable leaks suggest Apple is still planning a fall 2026 launch, alongside the iPhone 18 Pro lineup, following its normal release cycle. But at the same time, Bloomberg reports and other sources claim it could be delayed to 2027 to allow more upgrades like a better camera system. So right now, the launch timing is not confirmed and highly uncertain. Now, let's talk about upgrades, and here's the reality. This might be a very small update. Most leaks describe the iPhone Air 2 as a routine upgrade, meaning no major redesign. That means Apple is likely keeping the same ultra-thin design, which was the main highlight of the first Air model. Instead, the biggest change is expected internally, with a new A20 Pro chip bringing better performance and improved efficiency. But what about the camera? Earlier rumors suggested Apple could add a second rear camera, fixing one of the biggest complaints about the original Air. Battery is another critical area. The first iPhone Air had compromises due to its thin design, and reports suggest Apple is working on better battery efficiency rather than a massive battery increase. Some leaks mention internal optimizations and possibly improved thermal design, but again, nothing is confirmed. Now here's something important. Why is Apple even making this phone? According to reports, the iPhone Air lineup is more like a testing platform for future designs, especially for foldable iPhones. That means Apple may not be focusing on making it the best iPhone, but instead using it to experiment with thin designs, new materials, and future technologies. Pricing is expected to stay around the $999 range, similar to the first Air model, but that also depends on whether Apple adds new features or delays the device. And if delays continue, Apple might even rethink the entire Air lineup strategy. So everything we've discussed, 20 Pro chip, launch timing, camera decisions is based on leaks and supply chain reports. Guys, subscribe the Upgrade Zone for upcoming real updates.